Okay. This is forward, this is backwards.
I found that out.
Okay.
Here's the brake.
Right here. But it'll stop as soon as you let off, go forward and backwards. This makes the bucket go up in the air.
Yeah, we won't be doing that.
This makes it go up in the air.
Which one? This one?
Now you gotta watch the rear end because when you go around a corner, you got a big ass end on it now. So go ahead and practice a little bit right with it.
How do you tilt it?
This way and that way. Look.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Okay, you gotta keep the bucket down so you can see in front of you. That's good. Come here, Bill. Come here.
Where am I going?
You're gonna go up there and get some wood. Wait, I got one more thing to tell you. Okay, you don't have very much gas. This is your throttle right here. No, throttle's over there. This is your key to start it with. This is your throttle. Here, Bill. Come here. We're gonna let Teana drive the tractor today. She's gonna get the lumber. Come here, Bill. Come here, Bill. Come here, here. You got some here, some over there, some over there, some over there. There's everywhere. Tilt your bucket back and put it down. What? Oh, well, you go back to hanging your gloves. Okay. Well, you're going to walk down or drive down? Drive? Yeah, okay, well you can go backwards with your foot. So Teana's going to pick up the wood with the bucket, and I'm going to go down and work on the electric. See how our little hole is doing here. Got a brush pile going. She got to get some practice, so we'll leave her to it.
Saturday, October 10th. And we're finally getting permanent power put in for the RV spot, for one of the RV spots. Probably two, I think we said we could feed off of this. 230 amps. But it's happening. It's happening. And just in time, because it's 85 today and it's supposed to be 91 tomorrow. I would love to run the air in the afternoon tomorrow. So far since we've been here, it's been pretty nice. We're not in the RV most of the time during the day, so by the evening it's cool enough to sleep without air, but tomorrow's going to be hot. So, and this way we'll be able to run a little heater too. This 110 extension, you know, we need that as temporary. And we've only been here a week, so I think we're doing okay. We've been playing up on the grounds, and finally we decided we need to get this power. Got plenty of water, and sewer will be later, I don't know when, but we do have an outlet, so all we have to do is unplug and drive it over there to empty. That's not a big deal every 6 or 7 days, 8 days. But I'm not sure whether yet we'll get a carrier or not. I don't know if it'll serve the purpose for being down here. So anyway, that's what's going on here. And take this right down to the house. Yay, 30 amps. Yay, we can run the air. A little bit at a time. I went up and played on the tractor for a little bit while he was doing some of this. Pipe. Wire. Guess he's got a little bit more to string through. But we're getting there. A little at a time. I don't think we're sitting in a permanent RV spot, but we may make it permanent because we kind of like it up there and it's fairly level. Well, it's very level actually, the RV is, but this other spot they put in is not. It needs work. So we may revise our plans and put in our center spots in the center of the area here instead of all on the outside, back them in so they can back into the same power and probably water and sewer eventually, but we'll see. We'll see. For now, we need a spot so I can run some air. This line is definitely permanent. But like I said, we may change the idea around here. Okay, that's it for the moment. 2 trips into the hardware store today and we'll have power. Bye till next time.